शिक्षा जगह से नहीं पढ़ाने वाले शिक्षकों से मिलती है।
इसलिए आपके अपने शहर में कोटा के यंग IITian के गाइडेंस में कराई जा रही है IIT मेडिकल और प्लस की तैयारी।
Type 1 is this. Construct A 2 into 2. Matrix A equal Aij whose elements are given by Aij equal I plus 2j whole square upon 2. Aij equal I plus 2j whole square upon 2. This method 2 into 2. 2 into 2 11 12 A21 A22. Same annual question first type 1.1. This contraction 2 into 2. Solve A equal A11 A12 A21 A22. Any doubt? 2 into 2. This matrix limits given 2 into 2. 11, 12, 21, 22. A11, A12. As this matrix available, this matrix showing A equal Aij 1 sorry I plus 2j 2 square 1 I plus 2j whole square upon 2. A11 as A11 equal A11. This method carefully example. A11 equal Ij. I equal 1, J equal 1. I J. Doubt? 11 I 1 plus 2 into J 1 whole square upon 2 11. This one line A12 1 plus I J 2 into J whole square upon 2 equal 1 plus 2 whole square upon 2. 3 whole square 2. 9. Explain this. Anywhere 1 plus 2 into 2 square upon 2. 5 square upon 2. 25 upon 2 as 21. Again 21. A21 equal I J 2 plus 2 into 1 upon 2. Done. 2 plus 2 into 2 whole square upon 2 4 whole square 2 16 upon 2 8. Doubt? A22 equal 2 plus 2 into 2 upon 2 whole square 2 4 whole square 2 6 whole square into 2 80. Doubt? Aij E11, E11 first letter I and second J. Method is available, variable slow. E11 equal first I second J. यानी क्या A23 I J, A34 I J, I equal 3, J equal 4. Doubt? A I J equal I plus 2J whole square upon 2. 1 plus I 1 plus 2 method 2 only J देखो put this method J 1 2 into 2 plus 1 3 का whole square 3 तो whole square upon 2 3 9 upon 2 same as A11 A12 A21 A22 equal A11 9 upon 2 A12 25 2 8 A21 8 A22 8. Answer. Now and matrix form. If A equal matrix Aij is matrix given by A equal Aij 4 2, write the orders of A and A, find the elements A24 A34 also show that A32 equal A23 plus A24. Matrix if Aij matrix given by Aij equal 4 subtraction 2 1 3. Raw matrix write the order of and finds elements A24 A34 also show that A32 equal A23 plus A24. solve हो गया. This order is observe to elements 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 3 rows and 4 columns okay. 3 order is observed to elements for 3 rows and 4 columns 1 2 3 rows 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 rows 1 2 3 4 columns 3 rows and 4 columns. This order elements 3 into 4. Anybody doubt? This order is 3 into 4. तो मैट्रिक्स से एलिमेंट से ए आई जे इक्वल मैट्रिक्स गिवन इन द एलिमेंट्स A32 इक्वल A24 प्लस A23. A32 equal A23 plus A24. The elements like is section second rows and fourth column doubt. Elements like intersection second row and fourth column compulsory. The elements like an intersection second row and fourth column row and fourth column as A24 equals 6. 11, 12, 21, 21, 31, 32. 11, 12, 21, 22, 31, 32. etc. A24 second row and second column. Second rows and second column. Second rows and second column. Second rows and second column. But similarly, second rows and fourth column. Second rows 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth column. Second rows, fourth column. Second rows, fourth column. A24 equals 6. And again, elements lying at intersection third rows and fourth column. Now third rows and fourth column. Third row 1, 2, 3. Row third. Fourth column. Third row, fourth column. 31, 2, 3, 4. A34 equal subtraction 27. Doubt? Again, division. Elements A24, A34 also show that A32 equal A23 plus A24. This order 3 into 4. Elements like intersection second row, second column. Second row, second column 6. Again, elements lying at intersection third row, fourth column 25. Doubt anywhere? Not. And 21, 23, 23. Carefully. A23, 21, 22, 23. A23 equal 9. Doubt? A24, 24. A24 equal 6. As A34 equal 15. 9 plus 6. 9. A21 equal A23 plus A24. A34 equal A23 plus A20. Doubt? A11, 12 explain this method is not. But A32, 11, 12 columns. 31, 32, 32 as A11, A21, A31, 32, 31, 32 as A20, A23, A24, 9 plus 6, A23 plus A24 equal 15. Explain question and answer. Matrix explain question and answer. Type 1. Type 1 matrix. Question number 1. Type 1. Question number 1. A matrix has 12 elements. What are the possible order it can have? A matrix has 12 elements. A matrix has 12 elements. What are the possible order it can have? Carefully. Matrix has 12 elements. 12 elements. And explain possible order. This order 11, 12. Solve. 1 12 सेम या 1 12 clear but explain this matrix order to possible order that can as a real number matrix to be n into m n into or mn equal 1 2 3 4 5 etc. As possible this order elements 12 1 12 1 6 2 6 4 3 4 it is possible number. Order this matrix 1 2 1 12 12 1 6 2 2 6 4 3 3 4 as nm number possible this order 1 into 12 into 1 6 into 2 into 6 4 into 3 into 4 doubt 1 2 3 4 5 6 possible order 12 elements 6 answer 12 elements for 6 any doubt